most traders think a stop loss is mandatory. I just got 140 pips on the euro yen without one. And I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. What up, good people? Welcome to another live trade from the Only Profits Academy. As usual, I'm looking at the euro again. There's a beautiful sell setup I'm looking at, and we're currently in the London, New York overlap session. So let's get right into the technicals. First of all, this is a counter trend trade because the overall trend is bullish, and you can see that when you look at the 4-hour or even the daily time frame. This is where experience comes in handy. Back to the 4-hour chart, there is this level around here. You could call it a resistance zone or a supply zone, and it has held as a strong level of resistance multiple times in the past. If you look at current price action, price has tapped into that level again. In terms of the SMC model, we can see a liquidity sweep, change of character, followed by a break of major structure with the imbalance candles coming into play, and finally a logical objective down there where we could take profit. You can also see internal range liquidity or inducements being taken out before that level. If we take a closer look at the resistance zone, we can see that we have an order block sitting right within the same supply zone. For now, I'll be getting into this trade based off the resistance zone I marked up here. I'm going to go ahead and sell the market, and ultimately I'll be looking to take profits around here, over 180 pips. I won't be using a stop loss for this trade. If I was going to use one, I'll protect these highs around here. And as you can see, the target is for 180 pips. So if it's a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio setup, you don't have to be extremely tight with your stop loss. So yeah, let's see how this plays out, guys. All right, guys, I'm back with an update. I took this trade on the 16th of June, and today's the 17th. I'm currently in the New York session, and the trade is running in over 60 pips profit. I'll go ahead and take some partials, and as you can see, initially the trade was playing out well. It moved from our entry, and we're running in over 40 pips profit. Then price decided to come all the way back to my entry and even went over 30 pips against me. Life of a trader. Yeah, so when you understand the game, there's nothing to be scared of. I already had levels marked out where I would implement my exit strategy if price kept going against me. If you want to understand my exit strategy and how I look at the market in general, feel free to visit the Academy's website and purchase a membership of your choice. The link will be in the description. For now, we're up over 60 pips. We're risk-free, and I've taken some partial profits. Let's see how the rest of the trade plays out. All right, guys, day 3 of this amazing setup. It's the 18th of June during the London session. We're up over 90 pips. The trade was running in over 100 pips in profits during the Asian session, but I wasn't on the charts. I'll go ahead and close most of my positions. As you can see, price swept, liquidity sitting at these levels here. I might go ahead and wrap this video up now, but I'm hoping something positive will happen because, when the London session and volume might still kick in. And, this is how it is sometimes. BBC trades for a couple of days. You saw my thought process with the entry and the analysis for the trade. Everything was coming from higher time frames. So obviously I knew this was a trade where I had to be patient with. And yeah, so far 90 pips isn't bad. Up around 2% on this account already. And yeah, if something comes up, I'll update you guys. I have a little lot running, and let's see what happens. As you can see, we're up over 140 pips. This is what every trader wants their London sessions to look like. Beautiful stuff. I'll go ahead and close the small position I still have open and wrap this trade up. 140 pips later, I walked away with over $48 from this trade. On an account starting with only $2,000. That's 2.4% on one trade. Not bad at all. If you want to copy trades like this, join the free Telegram channel using the link in the description. If you want to learn how I trade, visit the Academy's website. The link is also in the description. Like the video if you gained any value. Subscribe if you are new here. Until next time, guys, trade safely.